Did you know that your carpet could be harboring a secret world invisible to the naked eye? It's true. Carpets can trap up to 100 times more allergens than hardwood floors, making them a haven for dust mites, pet dander, and pollen. This hidden ecosystem can wreak havoc on allergy sufferers and even impact the air quality in your home. So, when it comes to choosing between carpet and hardwood flooring, the decision goes beyond mere aesthetics. Carpet offers undeniable comfort and warmth underfoot, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Its soft texture is especially appealing in bedrooms and living areas where relaxation is key. Additionally, carpet acts as a natural sound absorber, muffling footsteps and reducing noise levels within a room. This can be particularly beneficial in apartments or homes with multiple levels. While carpet offers comfort and sound insulation, it also presents some challenges. As mentioned earlier, carpets can trap allergens, leading to potential health concerns for allergy sufferers. Regular vacuuming and deep cleaning are essential to minimize allergens, but even with diligent maintenance, carpets can harbor these microscopic troublemakers. Additionally, carpets are susceptible to staining and wear and tear, requiring replacement more frequently than hardwood floors. Hardwood flooring exudes timeless elegance and sophistication, adding a touch of class to any home. Its durability and longevity make it a popular choice for high-traffic areas like hallways and kitchens. Hardwood floors are also incredibly easy to clean, requiring only regular sweeping and occasional mopping. This makes them an excellent option for busy households or those with allergies. Section 5. Hardwood's drawbacks, cost, and upkeep. While hardwood flooring offers numerous benefits, it's important to consider its drawbacks. Hardwood floors can be significantly more expensive to install than carpet, especially if you opt for exotic wood species. Additionally, hardwood requires regular maintenance to preserve its beauty and luster. Scratches, dents, and water damage can all mar the surface, requiring refinishing or repairs. Section 6. Installation: a tale of two processes. Installing carpet and hardwood flooring are two very different processes. Carpet installation typically involves laying down padding followed by the carpet itself, which is then stretched and secured. Hardwood installation, on the other hand, is a more labor-intensive process that involves nailing or gluing individual planks to the subfloor. The complexity of hardwood installation often translates to higher labor costs. Section 7. Style and design. Finding the perfect fit. Both carpet and hardwood flooring come in a wide array of styles and designs to complement any home decor. Carpet offers endless possibilities in terms of color, pattern, and texture, allowing you to create a truly unique look. Hardwood flooring, with its natural grain patterns and variety of wood species, adds warmth and character to any space. Section 8. Resale value. Flooring's impact. When it comes to resale value, hardwood flooring generally holds an edge over carpet. Hardwood is often perceived as a more desirable and valuable feature, potentially boosting your home's appeal to potential buyers. However, the impact of flooring on resale value can vary depending on factors such as location, housing market trends, and the overall condition of the flooring. Section 9. The final verdict. It depends. So, which flooring option reigns supreme, carpet or hardwood? The answer, as with most things in life, is it depends. Ultimately, the best choice for your home will depend on your individual needs, preferences, and budget. Consider factors such as comfort, lifestyle, maintenance requirements, and overall aesthetics when making your decision. Whichever option you choose, make sure it's a floor you'll love for years to come.